Feeling like money, okay? Money, yes! Hey girl, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm giving you guys another video for New Year, New Wig, honey. I hope you guys have been enjoying this series so far. I'm really excited about it and I think it's going great. So today, you guys, I am collabing with the DeAnna Monet, you guys. Yes, I love her channel. Her channel's name is DeAnna Monet TV. She offers wig reviews as well as a little bit of everything. And if you watch her channel, then you know what I'm talking about. So you guys, I reached out to her and asked her would she collab with me on this wig series because I really enjoy her channel and I think you guys would love her as well. So these are a few of her images. Make sure you guys go and subscribe and comment. Let her know Nene sent you. And she does have some super beautiful images on Instagram as well, which is where these pictures come from. So go show her some love, you guys. She is slaying this bun. This is my favorite picture of her and one of my favorite videos of hers. So make sure you guys go check her out and let's get back to the review. So the rest of these units are affordable, but this is if you really want to just stunt on some people in January. You trying to come back to work looking bomb. You trying to go back to school looking fly. So this is the wig that's going to help you do it. Hopefully, you guys. Now, this unit was sent to me by Yiroo hair, and I thank you guys for sending me this unit so I could show the queens everything y'all have to offer. So this is the packaging that it came in. I got this in a good amount of timing. It comes with a comb and it comes with a wig strap. This is what the wig looks like. Okay, so let's go ahead and take her out. Y'all know human hairs be making me feel like money, girl. So I might have to pop up the first week of work in this wig. Even if you're not trying to stunt on nobody, y'all, sometimes you just want to look good, feel good, like new beginnings. I'm giving you options for you, okay? Taking care of you. All right, so here's the wig, y'all. Nice curl pattern. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. Density is not too thick either. Sometimes with these dense, deep curly wigs, sometimes the density is like super dense and I'm just like, oh my gosh. If I'm trying to wear this to work and things like that, girl, I ain't got time for no big hair. Like, I need you to be a medium, schmedium, okay? Them big wigs be having me stressed sometimes. The cap size, I would say, is big head friendly, but it is snug. I'm definitely feeling a little bit of snug in there. I'm back and I'm feeling like money, okay? Money, yes! Okay, you guys, I am back and you guys know that I'm not really big on gluing down wigs. So I try to give you options that you can either lay and slay, you know, melt the lace and all that stuff if you would like, or you can throw on and go, okay? Now, this unit right here is by Yiroo hair, like I told you guys. This is 22 inches long, so let me just go ahead and stand up so you can see everything. 22 inches. It is a 150% density, so for me, I feel like this is a good density. It's not overwhelming. Sometimes with these deep curly wigs, you guys, I have had some in the past that were long, deep curly texture, and once they started getting puffy, girl, them things would be so huge and just Oh my gosh, I don't feel like I'm gonna have those issues. Now this is a frontal wig. It comes with a 13x4 frontal. Now this is without any glue. I just went ahead and cut the lace, cut some of the baby hairs down, and this is what she's looking like. If you have a smaller head, I do think that you'll be okay as well, because it does come with combs and things like that to help you out. Remember guys, it does come with an extra comb and a wig strap that you can attach to your wig. If you really are feeling its looseness and you're uncomfortable, you have those options as well. I'm gonna give you guys a 360 before I leave. Here is the front. Here's the right. Oh girl, I look like a princess. Here's the back. Here's the left side. So you guys definitely let me know what you think about this hair. Could you see yourself slaying it? I definitely could see myself wearing it, and I think for the price, it's a pretty good item as well. Again, thank you, DeAnna Monet. Make sure you guys go and subscribe to her, show her some love. I really enjoyed working with you, girl, and I hope to do it again in the future. So love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.